Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the clip, import footage, and create a sequence that matches resolution and frame rate. Once done, place the target clip on V1 and duplicate it to V2 so you can compare before and after. Next, open the Effect Controls panel with the playhead over your clip so you see live updates. Make sure you're working non-destructively and that the top layer is selected. This lets you apply masks and feather without losing original media. Now you create the mask. Select the clip on V2 and choose the pen or ellipse tool to outline your subject. As you draw, keep shapes simple. Complex masks increase feather demand. Then in Effect Controls, enable mask feather and drag values while watching the program monitor to dial softness. You'll also tweak mask expansion to pull the edge inward or outward and adjust opacity for blending. Take care to animate mask path if the subject moves. Finish by refining and checking the result. Scrub the timeline, add mask path keyframes or temporal interpolation for motion, and render a preview to inspect edges. Once satisfied, export using your sequence settings. If you notice a translucent halo or soft edge artifact, reduce the feather slightly and compensate with a tiny mask expansion or a subtle directional blur. This fixes halo without harsh edges. If problems persist, toggle the duplicated layer visibility to compare and revert adjustments until the blend looks natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.